Do you want your Apple Watch to automatically detect workout each time you start working so that it can take record and update you about your fitness? Then if yes, this video is going to walk you through how to let Apple Watch auto detect workout. So if your Apple Watch is not automatically detecting your workout, then you need to follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to let Apple Watch auto detect workout, all you just need to do is press G2-1 to exit the home screen. This will take you to the app menu. On your Apple Watch app menu, click on settings. Then on the settings page, you just need to scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you get to the workout application. So just keep scrolling. Then here we have the workout app settings. Then go ahead and click on it. And once you click on that, scroll down. If you are using WatchOS 11, the settings is not different from WatchOS 9 and earlier. So on your WatchOS, locate workout reminder, and you can see you want your Apple Watch to remind you when to start workout. Turn this on. If this is disabled, your Apple Watch is not going to automate workout update. So just turn this on. Then if you stopped working or you stop cycling, your Apple Watch can easily remind you to resume workout. And here, if your Apple Watch noticed that you no longer run, walk, or the activities you engage in are stopped, it's going to remind you to end the workout. So make sure you have all these three turned on, and then if you come down, you can see Apple Watch can automatically remind you to start or resume certain workout if it is look like you are moving. It can also remind you to end those workouts if it looks like you are done. So make sure you turn on these three features if you have them under your Apple Watch, or just turn on start workout reminder if you do not have all these features. However, if you scroll down, do not turn on end workout confirmation if you don't want your Apple Watch to remind you that you're about to end up your current workout. And if you want Apple Watch to do, just go ahead and turn this on. But once you have all this turned on, your Apple Watch workout is going to be automated. So that is basically how to let Apple Watch auto detect workout. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.